Hello everyone in the welding class. Welcome to my speech. My speech today is on GMO foods. Does anybody know what GMO means?
Genetically modified organisms.
That's right, genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms are all around us. All organisms are essentially GMO. They are genetically modified through natural selection. Some of the benefits of GMO are nutrition. Malnutrition in the world is really high. It's not a good thing. We've got starving children. It's bad. And with GMO products, we can grow more crops to feed the starving children of the world. And that's a good thing. We can also, most countries, third world countries, their main food is rice, and rice does not provide all the nutrition necessary to be a healthy, functioning human being. So what we can do with GMO foods is we can take a desirable trait from one plant, say a plant that makes a lot of vitamin B, and we can put that into rice, something that does not have a lot of vitamin B, and therefore whenever the rice grows, it will produce more vitamin B, and then when ingested by the third world country members who are eating that rice, it will provide them with the nutrients that they need. And it's just really a simple way to get better nutrition to everyone in the world. It is also beneficial because it takes gas prices down. The fuel that goes through your car, most of the time it's about 10% ethanol. Ethanol is a product made from corn, and the more GMO corn that we can produce, the more that your gas prices are going to go down because we'll be able to put more ethanol in there. It's not necessarily beneficial to your car, but it'll put the gas prices down substantially. Another positive part of GMO products is it is cold tolerant. We live in an extremely cold environment. It's snowing in spring. Kind of sucks. But if farmers were to have their crops planted and their crops were to be growing and then we get a freeze, everything would die. GMO products, they are cold tolerant. They can resist that cold. They can survive through that, which is good because if you have some severe cold, some severe weather, the plants are still going to survive and you're still going to have a harvest. And you're still going to make money and keep your family financially afloat. They're also disease resistant. A lot of plant diseases out there, they are not good. And that can also make your crop either be completely wiped out or it can leave you with like half a crop, which is not good. Herbicide tolerance, you can put herbicide on them and they won't die because herbicide is to kill plants. Pest resistant, you won't have to spray as much pesticide on them. There are some types of GMO organisms that have natural pesticide in them. Well, that's not really natural, but they have pesticide in them. So whenever the bugs ingest it, it kills the bugs. Therefore, you don't have to spray tons of pesticide all over your crops in order for them to survive. It's also beneficial because you can use less farm equipment on your fields in order to till them and keep them going that way. Therefore, you can reduce the greenhouse gas effect, which will, I'm just going to move my camera up so it can actually see me, which will, where was I? Reduce the greenhouse gas effect and slow down global warming. Do you guys have any questions? Anything? What's up, Caleb?
So, how exactly do they make this GMO?
That's a good question. I'm just going to pick this camera up. So GMO foods are made by taking, so say you have a strand of DNA GMO products are made by taking a preferable piece of that DNA. That's called a gene. And you take it and you put it into another plant's undesirable gene's place. And then it will reproduce, and your new plant will have a desirable trait that it didn't have before. Any other questions? Jake.
So when you're talking about like the rice getting into third world countries, they like grow it with the vitamins that they need?
Yes, you can take, say this gene is a vitamin A. You can take the gene that produces vitamin A in one plant and you can put it into the rice plant. And then the rice plant will grow with vitamin A, producing the nutrients necessary to support life to the third world country. Any more questions? All right. Is that everything? All right. Thanks for coming. Oh, wait. I got to show my teacher the class. How about a wave high?